Alright, in this Geek Tip video, I'm going to show you how to close a program or scareware running in full screen kiosk mode. I get a lot of customers calling when they call and say they have a full screen warning telling them that their systems has been infected and they need to make a phone call to this number. So I want to show you how they do it and show you how to get out of it too. So there are a couple things you can do, so it's nice to know. So let's go ahead. I've already got the code here. I've already created a warning page that I've already got set up here on the local system. So let's go ahead and I want to run it. I've already got it in here for script, so let's go ahead. There we go. Now we're running in full screen mode kiosk. Full screen kiosk mode. There is no X's. There is no really physical way you can see to close this screen. So you can try the escape key. That sometimes will work. In this situation probably wouldn't. Then you also have the Alt F4, which will close the most current window. Sometimes that'll work, but a lot of times it doesn't. In this case, we're going to have to go and bring up Task Manager to actually close the browser. So a lot of people wonder why their antivirus program didn't detect this, and this is not a virus. This is nothing more than a web page running in full screen kiosk mode. So now what we need to do is we need to bring up Task Manager. The only way to do it at this point would be use Control Alt Delete. So we're going to press Control Alt Delete, and it's going to bring us up to this Windows security page. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to arrow down here. I want to click on Task Manager. Task Manager will come up in front of it, guaranteed. Alright, so you can see I brought this up in Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click End Task. And that's as simple as that. But let's go ahead. There's another way. If you don't find it in the processes here, we can actually find it in the details. Let's go ahead and run it again. I'll show you how to get it out of the details. Alright. Do Task Manager again. Okay, this time let's go to details. Normally it's going to be running in a browser. Like I say, up here when you look in processes, you're going to see Microsoft Edge. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Mozilla Firefox. It just depends on what browser you were running. So we've already shown how to eliminate it here on the processes, but let's go to details. If you have MS Edge, Microsoft Edge, it's going to be here. So basically we just right click on the top one and say End Task, and yes, we might have to actually go in and end the whole process tree to get rid of it, but there, boom. That's how you get rid of a scareware attempt, really. Basically, you don't get a lot of programs running in kiosk mode unless you have a freestanding web kiosk, digital signage or something along that, an interactive exhibit. So you're not going to find a whole lot of applications that actually literally will run in kiosk mode without being forced to. So alright, well that's enough for today. For more geek tips, go on over to geeksinphoenix.com, and any other questions or comments, leave them in the comment field below. So alright, take care, have a great day.